Alright, go it again. Another time.
Crazy.
Yesterday this car was flooded all the way halfway up the car. Engine is still running, took it like a champ. 2 hours in the flood.